What it do, man? If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, man. Join the 900 family, man. Watch us going up all 2020. You know, so if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, browse, watch the previous videos, get caught up to date, and just join the team. But good morning, squad. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, man, it's 8:34, man. Y'all know what today is. God damn it, I'm gonna just call it Roof Day. Today is Roof Day, god damn it. Yeah, this right here, this will be no more, man. This blank, just top of the ceiling of the cop, man, that just look dry, boring, and bogus. It'd be no more of that, man. Today is the last day, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? Well, ain't no hopefully. Today is the last day. What I'm saying, hopefully, folks. Today the last day. And I'm currently en route right now, man. Into this dealership. It's 8:35. To be honest, I forgot what time my salesman told me to come up there. I really thought he, excuse me, I forgot what time he actually said come to the dealership, but they don't matter. They gonna do the shit anyway, so it is what it is, man. But right now I'm en route to get to the dealership. So I guess it's raining out here right now. The weather kind of bad. So I guess when I get there, man, I click the camera back on, man, give y'all an update about what's going on, what the process that it's gonna take, and things of that nature. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in a hot second, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah. Go to the dealership right over there, y'all. Really was trying to get them just enough. You know what I'm saying? But still, hey, y'all comment down below, man. Should I put this car in valet mode for him? You know what I'm saying? You know, he might get a little antsy. Thinking about putting it in valet mode for him, though, man. Just in case. So he might, ooh, 392, man. Let me see how this feel. No, sir. That's a big negative. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to Brian and see how it go, man. See if it's somebody responsible, because I don't want to do him like that, man. But I might have to do him like that. You hear me? So trust me, they gonna most definitely drive this mug like it ain't theirs. Whoa, look at that gray 392 right there. That triple nickel. Mog hard. Let's go and see what they're talking about. Oh. Put the granite crystal on the showroom floor. That's crazy. My boy, what it is? Yeah, brother.
Start your YouTube channel?
Man, bro, I definitely did, man. Say what up to the channel, bro.
What up, man? What up, Big Black?
You ain't got nothing to shout out?
Nah, I ain't got nothing to shout out, man. I'm gonna start me one soon, as soon as I get my Scatpat.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Oh, God. Hey, you already hip to it.
I got to.
How you doing, man?
I got to get one. That's the way now. What's good?
Man, what Brian at?
Brian don't even working no more.
Get up out of here.
Oh, man. But you got Blake now.
My boy, damn, that's crazy. How did man make a sale like that and get on down?
Well, you know, things happen and things change and people make moves, you know what I'm saying? So
that's crazy. Do Cornelius still work here?
Yeah, Corn still here.
He still here? What corner? Here today?
Let me see.
All right, bet. Hey, y'all, this that Granite Crystal. I wasn't coming to get this one. They must have sold the other one, though. It's probably right. Yep, there it is. No, they ain't it, 'cause they ain't had them wings up on that. There go that Granite Crystal, man. Got the doors unlocked. For the price, man. Y'all come up here to Collierville Dodge, man. Get y'all the $392, man. Dang! Motherfucker still smell good. You ain't here? Well, basically, bro,
What you get?
I was supposed to get my roof put in my car today.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know, Brian had set this up. I don't know who he probably be talking to, but he definitely had put it through. So do I supposed to talk to service? Or?
Yeah, pull around the service. I'm gonna meet you on that side.
Gonna meet me around on service?
Yeah, I'm gonna meet you through there. Pull your car.
All right, bet. Damn, y'all heard it first, man. My salesman gone, man. I guess he quit. That's crazy though, man. Hold on real quick. I want to check something real quick, man. I don't think I be scraping when I be coming from up under. Nah, I don't be scraping. That be that thing right there. That's good though. Hey man, I recommend anybody, Joe, tint your front windshield, man. That shit look good. Don't worry about the police, man. You'll deal with that later. They gonna mess with you anyway if you're in something clean. But go ahead, tint that window. Oh, damn, Joe, that's crazy, man. My salesman don't work here no more, man. I was gonna try to get him on camera, man, talk to him. You know what I'm saying? And just, that's crazy. Well, that's the second salesman that sold me the car that quit. I don't understand. That's that triple nickel right there. That ain't the one that was up here, man. They sold that joint that was up here. Oh man. So y'all familiar with putting the roof in today?
Yeah.
How you doing today, sir? Brent?
Doing good. Benny.
Benny?
Benny?
Benny.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
to meet you, Benny.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so gonna be that same. It's gonna be like it came from the factory, like that factory roof. Now my question was too, is it still gonna have that windshield, that wind guard? You know how they come factory when you open it up?
Everything the other ones does.
Oh really?
The only thing that's a little different is the button
The button.
that makes it go back and forth. It don't look identical to factory with the same color.
But it's still that one-top feature and all that? Okay, then. All right, that's cool. All right, then I guess let me leave the keys up and let me get my stuff up out of here, and then we could just go from there. All right, Ben, appreciate it. Hold on, gang. We'll come back with y'all in a minute. There she go, man. I'm saying she want to get that roof put up in there. Damn. Look at it. Hey y'all, before I go, I had to show y'all this Daytona, man. If y'all interested in buying a vehicle, man, y'all gotta come up here to Collierville Dodge, man. If you out here in Mississippi, Memphis, Collierville Dodge, man. You know what I'm saying? They got, I ain't gonna stop, man. They got some shit out here, man. They got some cars, man. I can't even talk that now, but they got so many cars, man. But they know they got this black 392 right here. You know what I'm saying? 245 tires, pretty much like the same option that I got. Got the black interior in it. No roof, but you got option to get the roof though, man. All you gotta do is just tell them you want a roof and they'll put in there. God damn. Motherfucker been test driving the shit out that car. That motherfucker got 71 miles on it. Oh God, they coming to test drive. They go to window sticker right here, fellas. And y'all might don't think 71 miles. You think about it, bro. This a brand new car, man. Everybody been coming up here test driving and ain't buying shit. That's why I'm glad I bought mine. I had 4 miles and nobody test drive with me. And I ain't even test drive when I bought it. That was the first test drive I got. But anyway, 46 grand for this, man. Pretty much loaded, just like mine. But I was coming to show y'all this Daytona, man. This junk right here, nice though. Of course, it's a 5.7. Rim still look good on it, man. What size these is? Got to be some 245s. Let's see. Yep, 245, 45 ZR20s. Damn, we ain't got no Brembos on it though. Got the 5.7 motor in it. I think old girl said it had a little bit over 5,000 miles. They had just grabbed it too. Sunroof. Oh, the WeatherTech mats in it. Got that roof in there. What that shit look like that for? Well, pretty much it. God damn. Daytona's decent though, man. They cool. I need these mats though. I need these WeatherTech mats. I'm actually about to see about purchasing some. But yeah, you interested in grabbing a Charger? Charger 392 Daytona. They still got them up here, fellas. They got this black one. They got that granite crystal up there on the showroom floor. But yeah, that's pretty much all they got up here though, man. Let me show y'all this before I go, man. I want to see this mug right here, man. I think this is a Hellcat, man. I think he the D-bastard too, man. I'm gonna show y'all this Hellcat real quick. I don't even think it's for sale. You know what I'm saying? Probably somebody's car, goddamn it. If it is, I need to see it because I ain't get a chance to look at it when I bought my 392 from up here. But y'all, man, if y'all, like I said, if y'all in the area of Mississippi, Olive Branch, man, y'all come out here to Collierville Dodge, man, they gonna get you right, man. It's unfortunate, my salesman, he gone, man. I think they say he went to Wolf Chase or something like that, but they got some good people up here, man. My financial rep, Cornelius, man, he was a pretty good dude, man, so they gonna get you together, bro. If y'all coming to grab something, man, just go ahead, let them know B. Jackson sent y'all. I done bought 2 cars from him, bro, so I ain't in there, but yeah, right here, I think this is a Hellcat, y'all. This mog's so nice. And it's open. Oh! Bust the door down, got red guts in it. This most definitely is a SI. This most definitely is a Hellcat. I think he the D-bastard though. Look at them 275 tires on. What these is? Oh, he got 315s on here. 275. See how big this tire is? This is what I need on mine, these big ass 275 tires. He got 315s on the back. He ain't fucking around. That motherfucking nasty. I think this is gonna conclude this video, man. They said my car gonna be gone until Friday. So I gotta deal with this rental, man, for 2 days, today and tomorrow, you know, so said everything gonna be straight. And I ain't even put it in valet mode for him, man. I should have threw that motherfucker in there, but I trust him though, man, shit. Hey, anything go wrong, goddamn, bringing that bitch back to him. They gotta give me this black one up or fix the car. So I ain't gonna even worry about it. But that might conclude this video though, fellas, man. If anything else happens, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I ain't gonna exit out here, but how you doing, sir? If black one's so hard to maintain, man, gotta do too much with black though. show you what they done put your boy in. Look what they done put me in, man. A goddamn Cherokee. But it's alright though. Gas saver. Shit. Well, fellas, I'm about to go ahead and get on home, man. Give me some rest, man. Might turn this camera back on, I might not, I don't know, but I'm gonna get back with y'all in a sec. Man, family, what it do, man? What's happening with y'all, Joe? Low-key got the roof installed, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to show y'all real quick how it look. Y'all can see I'm in a nice little area, man, or whatever. But, this motherfucker really look good, y'all. I ain't gonna stunt. Shit! She look good as hell, man. So hold on 1 second, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all real quick. All right, y'all, here it is right here, man. Pretty much the finishing touches on the roof. One touch feature. I forgot the name of the roof that they it's actually raining out here too, man. So y'all gotta understand that it's raining. You know what I'm saying? And I'm out here doing this video, so I know I had to push it to y'all. But yeah, pretty much, man, everything worked fine, man. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the inside too when I get up in the car. Y'all walk around of it real quick. She's super dirty. I ain't gonna stop, man. I'm pleased though, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm pleased. I don't know if y'all can't see it, but I did see like a couple of scratches. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I know I can go ahead and get that buffed out. I'm actually going ahead. Either I'm gonna do it myself or I'm gonna take it back to the dealership. It ain't not major, man. They little scratches though, man. But you know. Yeah, overall, man, I'm satisfied, man. I'm satisfied. The car look good. I'll show y'all the inside real quick. Hold up. Y'all can see. Pretty much how the inside of the roof is. Pretty actual normal, you know what I'm saying, setup. Here go one touch features right here. Open it up, close it, the vent. You know what I'm saying? Obviously it's raining, so I can't really, you know what I'm saying, open it up too much, but I do got it vented right now. You know what I'm saying? So it's a pretty nice big roof, man. Pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? So wasn't too much to show y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Just give y'all an update on it. I did get it put in. I ain't gonna stunt, bro. It's like, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, you know what I'm saying, the car complete. Of course, I ain't done modding and nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So we definitely gonna still get in tune with modding it and things of that nature. So, but right now, I'm currently satisfied, man, with what they did, how they did it. You know, like I said, them little scratches on the top. That ain't nothing, man. I'll get that done, get that buffed out or whatever. So, pretty much gonna conclude this video, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Definitely got some more bangers coming in, man. If you haven't, hey, y'all gotta hit that like button, man. When y'all watching this video, my videos, man, hit that like button, man. Subscribe, comment, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm open for anything, man. Comment, subscribe, get active with me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get active with me, man. We're going up. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to get the channel up, man. So y'all gotta be active with me, man. Y'all gotta hit that like button. It be like 60, 70, 80 views. You know what I'm saying? And only 10, 12 people like it. Like, y'all come in, man, just hit that like button. Hit that like button, hit that bell. You know what I'm saying? Turn on all post notifications so you get reminded when I get up. You know what I'm saying? Get notified when I drop a banger. That's all I'm trying to drop, man. I'm trying to drop hits. I'm trying to drop something for y'all every time. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna conclude this video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. And shit, that's all I got, man. So 900 family, man, gang. Let's get it, you hear me?